How to fix Microsoft Store not working in Windows 11. Method 1. Set the correct date and time. Right-click Start and select Settings. In the left pane, select Time and Language and click Date and Time. Toggle on Set Time automatically if it's disabled. If it's already enabled, toggle off the Set Time automatically slider. Then click Change Next to set the date and time manually. Set the correct time and date, and click Change. Method 2. Run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Right-click Start and click Settings. Once in the System panel, scroll down and click Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Scroll down and click Run next to Windows Store Apps to run the troubleshooter. Restart your PC once the troubleshooter has resolved the issues. Method 3. Clear the Microsoft Store app cache. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type in CMD, and hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open the elevated command prompt. In the command prompt window, type in WS Reset, and press Enter. The command will execute some processes in the background, and Microsoft Store will automatically open when finished. Method 4. Repair or reset the Microsoft Store app. Right-click Start, and select Apps and Features. Click the three dots next to Microsoft Store, and select Advanced Options. In the Reset section, click Repair. Check if the Microsoft Store is working. If Microsoft Store doesn't work, click Reset. Click Reset again to confirm. Method 5. Reinstall Microsoft Store using PowerShell. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type in PowerShell and hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open PowerShell as an administrator. In the PowerShell window, type in the command shown on the screen. You can copy this command from our article linked in the video description. Press Enter to execute the command. Close the PowerShell window and restart your PC. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type in services.msc and click OK. Right-click Microsoft Store Install Service and click Properties. Open the Startup Type drop-down menu and select Automatic. In the Service Status section, click Start. Click Apply and click OK. Method 6. Set your system to obtain DNS server address automatically. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type in ncpa.cpl and click OK. Right-click your network adapter and click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4 and click Properties. Tick Obtain DNS server address automatically and click OK. Method 7. Disable Proxy server. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type netcpl.cpl and click OK. Select the Connections tab. Click LAN Settings. Unmark the use of proxy server for your LAN checkbox. Mark the Automatically Detect Settings checkbox and click OK. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's Duplicate File Finder and Big Files Finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel